Back with Sonic Boom, Rise of Lyric. And it's another stupid Amy and Knuckles parkour session.
Yay!
Section, not session. Welcome, kids, it's a school session. You're gonna get schooled in this game, or more likely Big Red
Knuckles
Button.
areas. Hey, Jacob, do you see where I jump up? Oh, never
Oh,
mind.
I fell.
This is looking good.
Oh, I see what I do. No, there's always a way.
Oh, Tails. Tails says some really weird stuff like, "Continue upward, my friend."
I just knew.
And then I think he laughs. It's creepy.
There we go. I found a way up.
Oh, there's some weird audio clips. I've witnessed this in some cases where Amy just randomly says, "You go, girl," and it's just like, what? Where's the
Hey,
girl?
I see you. I'm above you.
Oh, cool. But seriously,
Oh,
where's
did you
the
hear that
girl
squeal?
she's talking about?
Did you hear that squeal?
Yeah,
that we
it
just
sounded
had?
like a little piggy thing. Knuckles, why do you have to be so difficult? Stop being difficult, Knuckles. There's a bunch of boulders on the ceiling where I'm climbing, and it's like, how are there boulders that formed on the ceiling? Sorry about the sniffling, guys. I've got kind of a plugged up nose. Actually, need to really go blow that really quick, so
Continue upward, my friends.
I'm gonna go do that while you.
Did you hear
like,
Tails?
Yeah, continue upward, my friends. Okay, I need to blow that really quick.
Oh, what the?
Get these into place?
Oh yeah. Oh yes.
That was a bad decision. Hello, Sonic. Oh dear. This is bad. Although technically the whole game is bad, so, you know. Gonna beat the Knuckles.
Okay, I could do that, and my mom had to give me some meds. That's weird to admit to a YouTube peoples. Oh, did I get right in front of the camera? I don't know, but I probably did. So yes, I am Bach. I probably sound really geeky and nerdy, but
There we go.
well, it's
I'm
fun
figuring
when
stuff
you-
out. While you were gone, I totally fell terribly. And I had to go all the way back up. But it's okay. I don't really care that much.
Oh,
What
there's
the? Oh, I thought that was
We
bad.
should turn on the power.
Do you need to like help me with this?
Yeah, I need to help you. I'm here though. Da da da. Super spark plugs. What if I fell during that?
Tails and Sonic are just like, let's just let them do it. Oh, what?
I know, this part's so weird.
Are you guys okay?
Looks like we fall into a trap door.
Oh, no!
We'll keep going forward.
Tails should be able to fly up there and carry Sonic.
Yeah.
Uh,
Let's get going. They can meet up with us later.
Oh, here's another parkour session again. Yeah.
let's get schooled
But
in
this is
Park
like,
Tower.
This is a mini one though.
Yeah. Man, Big Red Button. Oh, you did not know what you were getting into.
Oh, there's a treasure chest.
Oh, by the way, if you all have not watched the show, I would recommend watching it. It is very good. It's probably one of the best Sonic shows there is. I liked it a lot better than X, but
Oh,
some
thanks,
episodes
Ray.
are a little there's some really bad Sonic Boom episodes and some really good ones. There are ones that are really good, like episode 2 and 8, and then there are some like Unlucky Knuckles that are really bad.
Clear some weight.
What?
I'm not sure. I think it's better just to not ask this time.
Still run away.
Why was that guy? I thought that guy was going to be super hard.
Yeah.
Is the boss battle hard at the end?
Oh, there's not really going to be a boss
Starting to turn.
right now.
Well, I mean at the end of the game.
Some people say it's hard, but it's like really repetitive and it's not fun. I've heard that. It's just
Love the
weird.
sound of crunching metal.
And I've seen it too. It's
Did you
really
hear Amy?
fun. What?
That was creepy.
What?
She said, "The sound of crunching metal."
Oh, yeah, Amy.
Amy, how could you say something that terrifying?
Oh no, I fell off into the thorny abyss.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'm coming for you. Another thing I don't like about this game, there's no risk. I mean, you don't lose lives or anything. I mean, Sly Cooper does a really good job of
You know what this
doing
makes me
something
think
like
of?
that,
You know
but
what the
just-
battles make me think of?
what?
Benton Omniverse.
Oh yeah, a little bit, but Benton Omniverse did a good job. That was a good
Yeah,
game.
that was actually a good game. I think it was because you could change between like a bunch of different characters.
Yeah, it had a lot of gameplay variety.
Woohoo!
Bridge is done.
He's not.
Oh, there's so many bots right now.
Oh, I'm gonna smash him. Oh, I smashed him. Oh, I smashed him again. Oh, I almost knocked him off the edge. Oh! How did I just do that? Oh man, you would have laughed so hard at what I just did.
Oh, what's going on?
I did the most sad, pathetic thing.
Really?
I was trying to
Where did the robots go we were just fighting?
I almost did it again. I was ground pounding some robots,
Uh-huh.
and then basically I missed one and went off the edge and ground pounded still.
Oh.
So basically I just killed myself.
The only way left.
Whoa, what the heck?
I don't know what that was.
It's time to head upwards again.
Okay then.
Okay, then.
Oh, I missed it.
Oh, there's
Did you
a-
see that?
Oh,
Did you see what I just did?
there's a really creepy thing that they say here. Somebody says, let's go tubular, because you go in a bunch of tubes really soon. They go, let's go tubular.
Snakes? Really? I hate snakes.
The trick is to punch these robot guys before they even wake up.
So where are we going?
Snakes are powering up those robots.
I think we need to kill the robots first.
Another
There we
set of
go.
tiles.
Can I go from this way? Or does it have to be that way?
Nope, it has to be this way. Okay, let's see. Oh, these puzzles are so boring.
They're not even really worthy of being called puzzles.
I know, right?
Oop, ding it, ding it.
No, that's a Star Wars post. Oh, here, power up bot.
I like the looks of that. Looks like a trap.
Maybe.
What is this thing? Is this a water balloon?
Inside.
Oh, are you kidding me? That totally looks like a trap.
I've got a punching
Oh my
bag.
gosh, Amy's like doing the
Amy,
dance.
look, I've got a punching bag.
Oh, cool.
This is a really weird power up. It's like a money bag.
Here I go.
Here's Knuckles. Wait, he's
Oh, I missed
he's
it.
robbing a bank. Oh, I dropped it.
It's just sitting there. There you go.
They are missing
What is
the
this
wrong
thing?
end today. This is why they call it round two.
Oh, I missed him. Oh, wait, let me lasso him. Boom! Took out two.
No, it doesn't kill the big robots. It only kills the small robots. I'm just beating them up with a money bag. This is creepy. Kids, don't mess with the kidness that have money bags. No, they'll slap you senseless.
Wait, where is it?
It
Oh, it
disappeared.
already wore off. Okay.
Yeah, wore off.
Really fast. Really fast. Can you lasso the... Oh, yay, you can! Boom!
You can lasso the big guys, but it doesn't have any effect. Unless you throw them off the edge. Then it
Yeah, I
does.
think that's what I'm gonna... Oh! I lassoed a snake guy.
I wish you could perform combos in this game. That'd make it so much more enjoyable. Like with with
did you
Sonic.
see that?
Uh-huh.
I threw a big guy and it hit a little guy and then they both fell off the
Yeah.
edge. Which I don't understand. It was one of the flying guys, so couldn't he just have flown back up?
Amy said this is getting old. Oh my god, that's exactly what I'm thinking. Maybe the developers were trying to give a note that they don't like doing this game as much as we hate playing it. Just throw them off the edge, it saves time. How did a little power-up bot get in here? Oh dang it, he lived. Oh, I ground pounded.
Yeah, I did that same thing earlier. Uh-oh. Oh, oops, I meant to throw it off the edge. But...
Right off the gizzard.
Oh, what the? Right off the gizzard. When I first saw Knuckles' redesign, I just was like, what? Is this the werehog?
I hope this is the last of them.
Oh, yes, please.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
Yes!
Yes!
It's over? Oh, it's over.
We gotta find a way to deactivate this.
It just cut off his, whatever he was saying.
Yeah, where are you? Oh,
Right here.
force field. Oh, enter beam thing.
I'll bet we need to
Where?
go now.
Oh.
You deactivate one battery, I'll take the other one out.
Okie dokie.
Climbing time.
I can handle these. No problem.
Are you sure, Amy?
Oh, I got this, man.
How we doing with that battery, huh?
Nuck?
Knock?
I'm on it.
His nickname is Nux, not Nuck. Not Nuck.
Okay, I got it already.
I am not Duck, the echidna.
I can see
I am Eskimo. I am not Duck. Seriously, that deactivated it?
Wait.
That easily?
It's and again, wouldn't it like have deactivated the force field right away? But we had
Yeah.
to like walk all the way back from where we were, and it still hadn't done it yet.
I don't know. Let's go, Amy.
Oh, my bad. I didn't realize it was
If he's gonna call me Nuck, I'm gonna call you Amester.
Home slice. Uh-oh. Didn't quite make it.
Oh, yeah.
And I even had the triple jump, and I didn't quite make it. Oh, I almost made that too. That would be awesome.
Okay, now there's a weird series of puzzles down here.
Are they really puzzles?
No.
Where'd you go? Oh.
Let's see, it's back there, I think.
I got it.
Oh, the camera angle. Okay, there are two enter beam thingies over here. Yep, this is what they say.
Hey, look, we crossed. Woo.
This is what they say, let's go tubular.
Time to go tubular.
See? That's creepy. Creepy.
That was weird.
He says it's weird. That was like really weird, Amy.
That was weird, Amy. You shouldn't have said that, even though I said
Hey,
it.
you want to do crisscross again?
Oh,
Well, these handles.
it's time to go tubular.
Oh, I missed all the coins. Let's pull it again.
Let's see. What am I doing?
I don't. No one knows what you're doing, Knuckles.
You mean Nut Tuck?
No one knows what you're doing,
I'm,
Nuck. No
I'm
one knows
gonna
what
call
you're doing.
Knuckles Nut Tuck from now on. Okay, that let us know where. Forgot what we do. Oh yeah, we go through the bounce pads.
Oh, won't let me change the camera?
What's that's me?
Hey, can I be up here again?
Nope, you gotta go to the glowing tubes.
Oh, those again?
It looks creepy. They shouldn't be spin dashing.
Time to go to...
Let me guess. Robot.
Oh!
I know, right? After we just did this.
Literally.
Okay. This looks like a good spot to end off. We'll see you next time if the robot just got